This is here in Panorama Dead Sea.
Restaurant here, and we have Elotillo. They have a conference for medical family, and
Yeah? So ganit. Surutem lagtan mabisindetan. Mabisindetan.
oh wow, very nice.
It's the Dead Sea.
They have panorama of the
That's a restaurant?
What?
Restaurant or view?
This one, the viewpoint.
point. Hindi tayo sa restaurant pupunta, because we are not hungry yet. Yes, we put them in the hot dog.
I'll get you.
Oh, careful lang So this is the panoramic view of the Dead Sea. No, Rapey, no, no, no. This is actually the Dead Sea. Below.
Ayan,
Wow. There's the Dead Sea, guys. Wow. This is the Dead Sea.
Ayan, Akaba, going there, Akaba, Extra. And this is the view. Wow.
Later?
Yeah.
Open it. You might get locked inside, baby.
Let's go.
Go inside. We can see the rock.
To the right. Where are we? Hello. Ayan, rest house. It's the rest house. Look, this is exit. Oh.
Oh my God.
What?
225 million years.
This one? Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Rock.
It's rock 35 million years ago. Wandering of continents. The Dead Sea is actually a lake.
Here I am.
Location ng Dead Sea. Under Africa from rising magma. Wow.
Inside the, what is this? Inside the Panorama Museum? What is the name of this one? Museum? Museum? Panorama Museum?
This one. Always moving. Here, here. This one is really top here. It's always moving.
Where?
Here.
At the roundabout, make a U-turn. But you know what they say, kid. Sometimes you gotta reverse to go forward.
I hate your ways. It's very old. 21 million years ago. 5 million years ago. Wow. So we're really in a rock museum. 100 million years ago. Look, guys. It's a rock. gastropods. SP. Old shale? Oh, rock. This is Wakar.
That's why they only panorama for the movie.
Stop running, baby. Solisan Lake on ancestors of the Dead Sea. So, ayan siya. Older freshwater lakes. Jabal Stone.
Very nice. Yes. It's a wonderful experience. Ayan, this one, din ada. Oh, you see? This one.
Big rocks.
Not only finishing that,
I found limestone.
It's more of a trivia museum.
Yeah, trivia to the rocks. Ito yun. Ants in the Dead Sea. Huh?
Bakit ka ba?
Bibili ko yung friend ni Nick Wild.
Very nice.
Ganyan yung friend ni Nick Wild.
You have to visit here. May panorama view. Alam mo, okay? So that you have to experience. Experience that. It's very amazing experience.
Hot spring. Oh, there are frogs. Okay. What are these? What are this? These are the birds of the Dead Sea. It's Tristram grackle, Palestine sunbird. Wow. This one is fan-tailed raven, Arabian badger. It's a raven. Look, this is a raven. Ah! Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Cut out of Africa. Okay, here's a brief history. Only the Homo erectus appeared some 1.8 million years ago. But an expansion of Africa occurred. One of the first areas of hominids spreading was the Middle East, the Jordan Valley, with its freshwater lakes and abundant life. Bab, ang Homo erectus daw, Bab, nag-start dito. Ay, Homo erectus. Human tools. Shall farm Jericho and farm. Yeah. I think this they're trying to explain is the earth started in the Middle East. Somewhat somewhere.
Alatang translate. Bawal ko gumamit ng in-verbal word na probability. Probably sa
Yeah, they're trying to portray that the earth evolved in the Middle East.
yeah, I mean the writing probably is informal.
Probably.
Scrolls were found most.
Why they use probably? They aren't sure.
They're better words. Probably is informal.
Copper smelting.
Many of the scrolls present commentaries on various books of the Old Testament.
The Holy River of
اوكي تبعثوا من محل المعنى اللي هو يسموه شو اسمه عليه السلام موجود رافع في سوريا
and the sea.
اللي هو شو يسموه محل المعنى يحيى نسيت
Islamic Times.
Sure.